said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I will feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it?
Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here and choosing to watch this video. So I'm from doing small grocery shopping to just add on things, and then I passed by somewhere to buy some second-hand duvet covers and some sleeping clothes, some sleeping bottoms for my baby girl. So I'm going to show you that, and then we'll continue with the other thing, and then I have an unboxing to do, nothing biggie. Yes, so stick around, like, share if you can, and kindly don't skip the ads. So I'm going to start with the clothes that I bought, so when I'm continuing with the rest, they can be washing in the machine. Yes, I'm that type of girl, nataka tu nimalize nini, and then I use them. So let me start with that. So this is my first one.
What's supposed to the washing machine?
Nothing. Let me finish. Close the door. You let me finish first. So the trouser. I don't know if you can see well. This one, it's just for sleeping. This one, and then this one, and then just this, and then this one, and then this one, and all of these ones I got them at 100 shillings at our local market. And then this one, and then I added some tights for her because all of them have rarukad here. So this one, then this one, and then this one. So, and then I got some duvet covers, this bag, I got this one. Let me push it a little bit. Hey! This one, and then it has this. It's a 6 by 6, so it's really big. It's gonna fit my duvet really well. I like it, the color, but I don't know if the partner will like it because it has pink. But anyway, yeah. And then I got this one, but I didn't like this part much. I liked this other part, this other flowery part. I hope you can see. So yeah, this one is also 6 by 6. Then I got this one, and the details is in these cartoons. This one is for my baby girl's bed. It's in the cartoons. I'm so sure she will like it. So yes, even this one is a 6 by 6 cause, or is it 6 by 7? I don't know, cause our beds zimetoshana and the duvets. And then I got this one. Yes, this one, which is like this and like this. So it's just black and white, nothing much. It's a 6 by 6 too. Then I got some pillowcases, just matching ones. This one, and then this one for 2 rabbits for my baby girl. Yes, and then I got this one's too. So I have white. I didn't want to add white yet, so I just wanted to add a little bit of color kidogo, and then we'll add the whites later. Yes, so for the clothes that is done, let me put them in the washing machine and then we continue. So guys, we continue, and these are just some little toiletries I got. And the first one, I'll come close. Okay. The first one is this one. It's just soap. Yes, nothing much, just hand wash soap. I had run out of this one. And then some panty liners for me. Then some tampons for me, and then some lotion, and then this one. I bought this one. I don't use this one nowadays. I use another one, but since I'm having some second hand, I like using the downy, especially this one, because it won't let you down. And then some toilet cleaner, and then that is done. Then I have another bag which I got some hot dog rolls. I have some Viennas that I'll make my baby girl a snack. Then some muffins for her to snack. Then we have some beef brawn. And then I got some two 100 grams of cola bacon. And then I got this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, some 8 small Viennas for her. And I got some value pack sausages, they are beef. And then I thought I had taken 4. I got some milk because people started using milk again. And then I got some eggless mayonnaise. I got some sweet chili. Then some ketchup. And then I had run out of some corn flour, so I added this one. Then some mozzarella cheese. And then some Yama Bite for my baby snack. She loves them. And then I got some, I wanted to try the Prestige vanilla flavored one, so I got this one. And then, then some strawberry yogurt. This is the only flavor that my baby likes. And then some garam flour. I wanna cook some viazi karai with this. I see the difference in taste without the normal all-purpose flour. The extra milk. And then I got some mustard. My favorite pilau masala brand. Some beef cubes. Garam masala. Some white vinegar. Some pasta. Some cooking oil. Need to wipe this one. Some kavagara flour. Making it wet. So I bought 3 packets. Get this one, and then for the supermarket, I also got these ones. These ones, they're just bowls. I got them from Carrefour. They were 249, discounted from 559 if I'm not wrong. So I just got 2. These days I love eating in bowls, so I got 2 of them. These ones. So this is everything I got from the supermarket. Now from the market, from the Soko, the green market, I got this watermelon. I have this, so I got some mangoes. They're literally in the season. So I got some mangoes. I got some 2 green apples. My baby likes green apples. And then I got some 2 courgettes, and then some hoho. Yes, I got these ones. Then I got some green maize. This one is for githeri. So we are going to do, we're going to mix them with beans and then put them in the freezer. So anytime tunatoa tunakula. And then I got beans. These are yellow beans. And then I got some mbaazi. These ones I want to, one of these days I want to make maybe mahamri with them in the morning if I can and I have time. So yes. And then some black beans. And then some more yellow beans for githeri. Yeah, I just want the yellow beans. And then some gouache. here I have some spices that I get from the market, and they're always 50 shillings. So I have some black pepper, some garlic powder, some whole spices, that is cloves, cinnamon, cardamoms, and star anise. Things like star anise. And then some coriander, and then let me grab this one. Some coriander, lemons, then we've got some ginger. Let me stand here. This. Then we have some garlic, then we have some sweet oranges. My baby likes these ones, so I take advantage of them, because the normal oranges she doesn't eat. Then some tomatoes, my tomatoes, so here. And then we have carrots, we have some onions. I have some, but nimeongeza, so yes. In here we have some potatoes. So for the grocery haul, that's it. Yeah, just adding on a green grocery haul. That's it. So now we're gonna unbox. So I got a new blender. Mine has not been working for a while. The motor is still okay, but hiyo glass ya juu imekata kuwork. So I decided to use this. I've been using the small grinder to blend my tomatoes and all that, and it's really tedious because you have to put kidogo kidogo. So I decided I just get a blender, because I have the grinder. When I want to use the grinder, we'll use that one. But so I bought this one from Ramtons. It was on offer in Naivas, from 4,000 and something to 3,000 and something each. Yeah, it's from 4,540 to 3,000. guys, I can't remember, to 3,000 and something. Yes, so I got this one. If there is something that we buy a lot in the house, it is blenders. We really buy blenders, but I don't mind. So yes, so let us unbox it. I hope you can see. This one, it's a Ramtones one. It doesn't have the mill, so it's just this. So the first one, it's the blender top, mayo ya kufunika juu. So this one, and then we have the jug, whatever it's called. So we have this one. So we have this one, it's a 1.5 liter jug, so this one will come in handy for juices and for when I just want to blend tomatoes haraka. The other one was not really helping. I didn't check this one, by the way. Then now this one, now this is the mortar. My house is mostly silver and black, but at this price ilikuwa imeisha silver and nini, so I just decided to just take this one. No problem. I might change my kettle to be the white one, so at least kukuwe na some, but there's some whites. My rack for utensils is white. My rack for vegetables is white, so it's a little bit of white. So this is what I got. Yes, it's not bad. It's small nicely, and then I'll fix it over there where I have my every now and then to use appliances. So yes. So that's it, guys. I'm not going to arrange or show how I arrange, because the ones that I need to wash, the nanny will wash, and the rest that need to be placed, I'll just place. Some of them it's just too high, even my nini cannot fika. So yes, so let us do that. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, the better